We'll guide you through how to use CapCut for video editing on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the CapCut website. Once there, log into your account or create a new one if you don't have it yet. After logging in, you'll see the dashboard where you can start a new project. Click on the New Project button to begin. This will open up the CapCut editor interface. Now, you'll want to import your media files. Click on the Import button at the top left corner and select the videos or images you want to edit from your computer. You can drag these files directly into the timeline below. To trim a video clip, select it on the timeline. Hover over the end of the clip until you see a double arrow. Then click and drag it to adjust the length. For splitting a clip, place the playhead where you want to cut, and click the Split button or press the S key for a shortcut. You can also add transitions between clips by clicking the Transitions tab on the left, choosing a transition, and dragging it between two clips on the timeline. For adding text, click on the Text tab. Select a style you like, drag it onto the timeline above your video clip, and double-click to edit the text. You can customize the font, size, and color from the options on the right. To include background music or sound effects, click on the Audio tab, choose a track, and drag it to the timeline. Adjust the volume by clicking the audio track and using the volume slider. Once you're happy with your edits, click the Export button at the top right. Choose your desired resolution and format, then hit Export again to save the video to your computer. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.